This is just a moment dedicated to my mother, my grandmother, my father, all my niggas in the pen, all my niggas that died in the struggle. Love y'all. Can we please have a moment of silence? That's for my niggas doing years of confinement, and for my soldiers that passed over, no longer living, that couldn't run whenever the Reaper came to get them. Can we please pour out some liquor? Symbolizing this, take your time and to consider that. Though our thugs ain't here, the love is here, and we gon' rep till slugs kill us here. This for my dogs, stuck in the struggle, trying to gain, smoking trauma, sniffing rhyme while selling cocaine. Trapped in the game, not knowing how to stop and get by. To live it alive, so instead they live it to die. And can we please have a moment of peace? For every G that fell for his flag in the streets, blood in the thuggin', folkin' and lokin', crippin' and creepin', Latin and kingin', or just for poor righteous teach. As day comes and night falls, for the rest of our lives we'll miss y'all. And even though life must go on, we still mourn while wishing y'all were home. As day comes and night falls, for the rest of our lives we'll miss y'all. And even though life must go on, we still mourn while wishing y'all were home. Yeah. And can we have another moment of silence?
I think the rain is coming back.
Last temptation. Tell me kill this nigga.
I think the rain is coming back.
Dear Lord, can you hear my pain? If you can, it's alright, cause I'ma live my life anyway. Just let it rain on me. I feel so free, like a cool breeze. And when the sun don't shine, hold up the many blinds, load up the lucky 9, and hit 'em up from behind. That's my life, and it'll never be the same, never again. And the game is to blame. Don't get caught up in your Range Rover, pulling over on the West Side Highway shoulder. Nigga, I'll blow you.
Got to be the short shot.
And it's like that.
The Gang Star has got to be the short shot.
And it's like that.
The Gang Star has got to be the short shot.
And it's like that.
The Gang Star
Represent.
One of the meanest and the cleanest, and still I'm kinda fiendish when I'm at this. Been doing this for eons, peons best to catch this. Vision of excellence, precise rapping ability. About to make some dead presidents, macking the million G. The money though, it's got people acting funny, yo. As soon as some niggas get some light, they be like dummies, yo. Products and puppets and pawns, getting played out. When authentic niggas step up, respect be laid out. Major effect to your sector, I'm the corrector. Live and direct, waving my mic like a scepter. Supreme exalted, universal leader, descendants of the kings and queens, the overseer, the overlord, cream of the crop, creme de la creme. Spent years building with cats in the streets, so they my men. Again, Gang Star has done it. Remember too much jewels back in the days, you'd have to run it. Check it, the ground be hot under our feet, so we be listening to beats to keep the cipher complete. Whether you kids be holding on the block all day, or you be puffing loud out in the back hallway, or whether you be in school or in the library, wherever you are, baby Paul.
bring it down.
Silverback gorilla, corrupt blackjack dealer, a wig killer, real heavy drinker, not a deep thinker. The home run fastball hit a curve and sinker. MP4s equipped with infrared beams, snipers in the roofs taking shots like fiends. You catch a bad one, remember the lingo. It's big left, one drunk fuck a gringo. Been in this game for a while, it's causing me to have to look every day for a reason to smile, and a reason not to put a record exec in the ground, run up in the spotlight, get down now. My people's going close to the edge, over the line, taking motherfuckers out like the kid at Columbine. Out of sight, out of mind, so I stay heard, mixing vocabulary words with metaphors and verbs. Surgical tactics, I'm the one, yeah. You motherfuckers wanna see me, I'm right here. Surgical tactics, I'm the one, come on. You ain't never heard no shit like this. Surgical tactics, I'm the one, yeah. You motherfuckers wanna see me, I'm right here. Surgical tactics, I'm the one, come on. You ain't never seen no shit like this. Take a number, motherfucker. I live for getting dirty. This is one white boy, certified 730. Brutalized in your girly. Mary Jane and Shirley. Now explain to your man why your hair's all curly. I don't give a damn. I don't even give two damns. Hand me the mic and make sure my fucking notes there. Knock, knock. Well, who could it be? You know I'm big with the kids like the first TV. He's a killer bee, worse than a disease. I fucking love up you dicks like a bitch with herpes. And everybody's talking. Really, I wonder why. What you thought Big Left was the next flyby? I'm a bad guy with a knack for swelling eyes. Kick a midget, take chicks back to fantasy. Yeah, this is surgical
I'm a
tactic.
champion, shorty, I'm a champion. I've been around the map and then I did a dozen maps. Hey, I'm a champion, shorty, I'm a champion. While other niggas crashing it, hey, I'm just steady mashing it. Tell them what you told, okay? 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 Tell them what you told. Hey, they was shining dumb, they like to blind them dumb.
Yes.